Every night, we close our eyes and disappear into sleep. But why? Why do we spend nearly one third of our lives just lying down, doing nothing? At first glance, it feels like a waste of time. But here's the truth: sleep isn't a luxury, it's a survival tool. When we fall asleep, our brain doesn't rest, it shifts into high gear. Deep inside, our brain begins to clean itself, flushing out toxins and waste that build up during the day. Think of it like a janitor sweeping up after a long shift. No sleep, the trash piles up, and that's bad news for memory, focus, and long term brain health. Sleep is also the brain's way of saving data. During sleep, everything you learned, read, or experienced gets sorted, processed, and stored. It's like hitting save on your mental hard drive. Without enough sleep, your brain forgets. Literally, but it's not just the brain. While you sleep, your body heals, muscles rebuild, tissues recover, your heart slows down, and your blood pressure drops. Even your immune system, your internal army strengthens itself. Each night, your body recharges like a phone plugged in after a long day. Ever feel cranky after a bad night? That's no accident. Sleep affects your mood, your emotions, and even your patience. Just one sleepless night can make you feel more anxious, more emotional, and more stressed. Over time, it can even lead to depression. Sleep doesn't just protect your health, it protects your mental balance. In children and teenagers, sleep is even more powerful. It's when growth hormones are released, helping bones, muscles, and organs develop properly. No wonder kids need more sleep than adults. It's not laziness, it's biology. When you sleep well, your focus sharpens, your memory improves, you're more creative, more alert, more alive. But skip sleep and you start losing all of that. Slower thinking, weaker body, clouded mind. So the next time you're tempted to stay up late for just one more episode, ask yourself, is it worth trading your brain power, your health, your peace? Because sleep isn't wasted time. It's the time your body needs to protect you, to rebel you, to refresh you. Sleep is not an option. It's your hidden superpower.